We got Champ Bailey's career highlights. Let's check this out. Alright. That boy Champ Bailey was one of them ones, man.
A complete corner.
Facts. Straight lockdown.
With the 7th pick, the Washington Redskins select Champ Bailey, defensive back, University of Georgia.
Matched up with Darryl Green at the top of your picture. Troy Aikman. Pass. Champ Bailey intercepted by Champ Bailey. And Bailey with his first NFL interception.
They got 3 picks in one game and a pick 6. Goodbye.
Touchdown. The second interception of his young career. Former under pressure. Somehow got out of the pocket, throws on the run.
Nigga, what the fuck was that throw?
4 yards in total offense today.
Bombs away.
Trying to add to it.
Yo, hey, that quarterback is dog shit. Whoever that is, bro, he's dog shit. McNabb, sit down.
What a blitz by Champ Bailey. And Plummer with the slam.
Hey, that's a great play.
And it's Champ Bailey out of the shotgun. Gus Farrat throwing down the right side, intercepted. Champ Bailey.
I got to pass the baton off to young Champ Bailey.
And he picked up the first down. That's in trouble. Gets the pass away. And it's caught.
Pick that?
No, it was picked off. Looked like Moore had it. But
What the fuck?
that's in trouble.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, 84, nigga, you ass. I'm gonna keep it a bug. How did you drop that? Nigga, how did Champ Bailey even get the ball? Nigga, I can't even see.
Had it, but Champ Bailey made the interception. Off the play.
What the fuck?
Rolling right. Fires downfield. And
That's just a freebie.
Champ Bailey, his second interception. And Champ Bailey is in and splits out to the right side.
That nigga, he played on offense too?
Completes to Champ Bailey. Out of bounds across the
I wasn't watching around this time. Was I even born? What year was this? Oh yeah, I wasn't even born. Yep. I wasn't even born, gang. I was still in my dad balls. Real shit.
Waits, throws it over the middle, picked up in the end zone. Out comes Champ Bailey on 10, 15, 20.
He cribbing that?
Angle on him. They call him at the
Oh,
40-yard
damn.
line.
Third down and 5. Champ Bailey first down and more into Cardinals territory.
Champ Bailey.
Oh, he's a heck of a player. He might be better on offense than he is defense.
No.
Looking at zone.
Who said that? Who said that?
Champ Bailey.
Oh, he's a heck of a player. He might be better on offense than he is defense.
Who the fuck said that shit, gang? No, he's not. He is a true lockdown corner, gang.
By Champ Bailey.
Oh, he might be better on offense than he is defense. The fuck?
Here's the
What?
snap to Boston. Picked off. It's the return. It's Bailey. Champ Bailey with his interception.
Garcia looking to put it in the air. Has a lot of time. Going to the end zone and the pass
Double coverage is crazy.
may be picked off by Champ Bailey. And he does. Bailey intercepts
Nigga thought he had Jerry Rice right there.
the corners and the pass is intercepted by Champ Bailey.
Brady gonna go deep down this sideline looking for Gibbons and that
Ooh!
Bailey. Correct snap to Falk coming around the right side. Can't find a block.
Damn, and he got the strip. Nigga, look at
Bailey lost
he was about to celebrate.
at the 5.
Hey, dog, he was about to celebrate.
Falk coming around the right side. Can't find a block. Lost the football. Bailey lost it.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Panthers leading the Redskins 10-3. Smith
Damn.
immediately by Champ Bailey.
Probably one of the best tackling cornerbacks I've ever seen play.
And Champ Bailey is such a good player. I mean, he's a good tackler,
Nice.
good cover guy.
Maybe the best tackling cornerback in the NFL and Champ Bailey.
The final piece of this deal came into place
He
Tuesday
signed a
night. That's when Bailey's
seven-year
new 7-year,
contract with Denver. See,
$63
this is
million
when I
deal with the
started
Broncos that makes him
watching
the
around this
highest paid
time, bro.
cornerback
When
in
I
history.
started watching Champ Bailey and shit.
Bailey on offense.
Yeah, well, I was not even born here, right here, but I like if I like the last 4 years of his career.
They're coming after Trent Green. Trent shook away from 2 of them. Another chasing, and the pass is intercepted by
Damn.
Bailey.
Well, Brooks goes back at him. As the throw, this one deep in the end zone.
I want you to watch Champ Bailey. Watch his left foot there. Now watch his right foot. It doesn't seem possible,
Wow.
but he hits it down
He really
in the
toe
field
tapped that?
play. That is an interception by Champ Bailey.
When you think about, Champ Bailey and what he does, number one is production. Number two, it's consistency. He's one of the guys that stays around the football.
Crazy. Y'all crazy.
He's going to deflect a lot of passes.
Excellent reaction by Champ Bailey.
That's batted down by Champ Bailey.
He can prevent the quarterback going that way.
I mean, he basically just ran the route for the receiver right there
I
again.
wish he would.
Breeze.
Big
That's gonna be a touchdown.
to the crib, nigga.
That is Champ Bailey, one of the best in the
Nah,
business.
Drew Brees looks so nasty in the Chargers right now, bro.
And the pass is intercepted.
He
by
picked
Bailey.
that?
Inbounds? Yes, he was.
Again, working the short passes there.
What the fuck type of throw was that?
No run near it. Touchdown, Denver. Trent Green with protection.
Wow.
Standing in. Long ball to the end zone. He's picked again.
Coming after Grady. Gets it away. He's picked.
He's picked in the end zone. It's Bailey. Bailey taken off, and he gets
I think it's
away
gonna
from
get
the
hard.
who had a shot at him.
That's
Running
tough.
about 100 yards.
Never mind. Damn!
Comes in at the last minute
Was that Randy Moss?
from the one man who had a shot at him. Running it back
Oh no, Randy Moss. He wore 81. My bad.
100 yards
Who the fuck is 84?
before Watson comes in at the
Watson?
last minute.
Damn, that nigga fast as shit. Damn, 8 picks, 2
This guy
pick
is
sixes.
very crafty,
It's a pass. It's a pass.
very smart.
Watch for the run. It's gonna be a run. Hey, quarters. 2 quarters. If we get caught like that, just stay back.
When you're facing him, you got to bring your A game.
McNair throws.
Just stay back.
When you're facing him, you got to bring your A game.
Yo, why you looking at the camera like that, bruh? Smile, nigga.
Game.
McNair throwing
Smile,
the
bruh.
way. Jump ball. Picked off. Champ Bailey.
In 4.5 games. And that pass
Wow.
is picked off.
You would have thought Champ Bailey was the receiver on that play.
And intercepted. Getting away from Warren.
That Ben just launching that bitch.
Intercepted again. It's Bailey for the second time.
The fake to him.
Hasselback.
Going deep down the sideline. The coverage is
Yeah, I don't know
and it's
why he was
Champ
testing
Bailey with the
Champ
interception.
Bailey right there.
One of the things you got to do. Bailey has a pick. Bailey has an interception. What a start for them. And he throws down the field. He's picked for the second time by Champ Bailey.
Oh shit.
Bailey weaving through.
Oh, I think he's about to crab
Going
that.
way. And the pass is picked by
Damn.
Bailey.
Give me that.
They paid for it.
To the 35, Smith. Through the hands of Gordon and intercepted. Champ Bailey, no
Tips and overthrows, bruh.
Alex Smith.
Cut back.
And he gets it
What the
back.
f?
Touchdown, Denver Broncos.
Hey, bruh. 2006 season, first team All Pro. And seventh career Pro Bowl is crazy.
He does
Damn,
it.
hold on. Go back. 10 picks. 85 combined tackles. This nigga had 21. Yo, Champ Bailey was different. Like, I started watching him. I know I caught like the final 4 years of his career, I think. But when I did watch this nigga, I'm like, who the fuck is this? Like, he was definitely one of my favorite corners to watch growing up. For
he
sure.
does everything the right way, from off coverage to press, and he stays intense.
He might be top 1 in my opinion.
Travis Taylor is the third receiver. And here's McCown, and that was intercepted by Bailey. Was he inbounds? Yes, he was.
And Brody Croyle fires deep. Picked off
Where was he throwing?
Games against Denver. The quick throw. Bailey makes a big play right off the bat. Edwards.
Oh my gosh.
Champ Bailey came firing through.
Romo steps up and throws.
What type of a throw was that?
And it's Bailey with a pick.
Yo, Bailey has some great ball skills, man.
It's Champ Bailey with the pick.
Hasselbeck on second and goal. He throws and it is picked off.
Rivers unloads.
Bombs away.
Toward Malcolm.
Ooh.
Intercepted by Champ Bailey.
Damn.
He is buried by Champ Bailey.
On first down, Palmer going to go deep down the sideline. It is picked off by Champ Bailey.
Coming in Roethlisberger. Shakes off the hit. Throws.
Well, that's a great play.
Big time play. Goes going to Hines Ward.
Palmer to throw on first down again. Down the middle. And he floated it.
A final career interception.
Bailey. Bailey going the other way. With his 52nd career interception.
52 picks.
That's when you got that name. I always thought it'd be cool to have a name like that.
There's a champ in the building.
To have a name like Champ kind of says it all.
Damn, bro. His career, 52 picks, 2019 Hall of Fame inductee, 3-time first-team All-Pro, and a 12-time Pro Bowler. Back when the Pro Bowl meant something, gang. Damn, bro. That nigga Champ Bailey was one of the ones, coach. But, hey, man, I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Y'all let me know what other NFL players I want to react to. Without further ado, I'm out.